Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, July 28th, and this is my PM recap for the Euro US dollar, and we are down on the 1 hour time frame. So the Euro dollar pushed down very hard. Unfortunately, this entry actually happened for me in the Asian session about 3 o'clock in the morning, so definitely not a trade I can participate in. Now, I often tell my members that a real break of structure needs to be obvious. This is the break of structure I was talking about this morning. That is a very obvious break of structure. It's not like it went down, broke structure, and then instantly rejected it. Now, there's a few different options we could be having. If I just zoom out a lot on the 1 hour time frame, we can see that this could be a wave A, this could be a wave B. It could go down, take out the lower wave A, and then break structure to the upside and then continue the higher time frame uptrend. That's option number one. We would still be looking for shorts right now in that option. Option number two is that this really is like the top of a wave five on the daily, and this is a one, this is a two, and it goes down and breaks this lower structure. That's a one, two, three. Which either scenario we should be looking for shorts. So right now we should be looking for shorts and hopefully learning and earning whether this is a wave C or whether this turns into a big wave 3. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.